Hello there and welcome to the英作文Ba English Composition course. In this course, we're going to be doing what are called flipped classrooms. This means that all the explanations I would normally do in class will be flipped into a video which you can watch on my YouTube channel. Because you get access to these class explanations anytime, if there's something you cannot understand, you can just go back and watch it again and again. I do expect you to watch these videos before each class. During our classes, I will only do our Dicta Gloss activity, and then you will be given time to write your compositions. This video is an explanation of the course. You can pause the video at any time and go back to places you didn't understand. In this video, I'm going to talk about the basic information related to this course, assessment, that is how you will pass this course, and explain what a Dicta Gloss is. This may be new for some of you, but I think that a Dicta Gloss is a very good way of improving your language skills. At the end of the course, I am sure you will think so too. So here's the basic information about English Composition BA. I will be running the course, and you can contact me at this email address. And if you're interested, you can follow me on Twitter or read my blog. Our classes will be held from 10:30 to 12 o'clock on Tuesday mornings. The goal of our class is, as it is written here. Even though this is a writing course, we are using a reading textbook. By doing this, we're going to look at the writing styles used by native speakers. In my explanations of each unit, I'll talk about the structure of the compositions we will be reading, and at the end of the course, I hope that you will be confident to write a 500-word passage about various topics. I also hope that you have a basic understanding of the structure of a composition, so that you will know how to go about writing a composition of any length, whether it be 50 words, 500 words, or even 5,000 words. This is our textbook. As I said earlier, this is actually a reading textbook, not a writing text. But I kind of like this textbook for writing classes because it gives us a lot of chances to see how compositions can be written. The topics are pretty interesting too. Please note that even though each unit has 2 chapters, we will only be covering chapter 2 of each unit in this course. In a future course, I will do chapter 1 of each unit. So if you like to join the class then, you're welcome to use the same textbook. So here's the basic schedule for this course. It's pretty easy to understand. Note that in week 8 and week 15, we will have review tests. Also, on the day of our final lesson in week 15, your final assignment is due. Like all compositions in this course, this assignment must be handed in by email. I guess you are all interested in how you're going to get points for this course. Each week, you'll need to write an English composition. I will read your compositions, make comments, and give you a score. The score you get for these compositions will make up for 30% of your entire grade. Each week, you also have some homework. This homework must be submitted by email the evening before class. I will give you a piece of paper with several QR codes. Scan these QR codes to access the homework assignments. Your score each week will be returned to you by email. Your scores for your homework assignments will make up for 25% of your overall grade. As I said earlier, in week 8 and week 15, you have a review test. These review tests will count for 25% of your overall grade. Your final composition is worth 20% of your overall grade. The topic of your final composition is my opinion. The final composition should be 500 words. Of course, this does not mean you have to write exactly 500 words, but I do expect you to be within 10% either way. So your composition should be between 450 words and 550 words. If your composition is shorter or longer, you will be penalized. Last, I want to quickly explain about the Dicta Gloss. Each week at the beginning of class, we will do a Dicta Gloss activity. First, I will read a short passage. While I am reading, you should listen and take notes. When I finish reading the passage, you and your partner use your notes to rewrite the passage that I read. After 2 or 3 minutes, and this will change depending on the length of the passage, I'll read the passage again. While I am reading, take notes on places that you didn't catch the first time. You'll be given another 2 or 3 minutes to work with your partner and try to complete the passage as accurately as possible. Finally, I will show you the actual text so you can check the passage that you wrote. Rather than explaining how to do it, it'll be much easier for us to actually do one. We'll do this during class. So that is the end of my explanation video for English Composition BA. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to make them during our lesson, or contact me if it is urgent.